Hello everyone, today I will show you how to transparent a text box in Apple number sheet. Now I'll make this text box transparent. Click on this text box and select. Also you can select this text box, drag your mouse. Now click on this text box, this format option and select text box style option. You can remove this fill color and see this. First let's change this text color. Click on this text box and text color. Click on this layout option style and text color. I'll choose this one and see this. Now select your text box and go style option and make this fill color remove. Also you can choose here white color and water color remove. And this transparent text box already created. You can select this text box and show border, and you can add new text box, and this is already transparent. And see this, click on this text box and insert it and see this another text box, and click on this text box and enter and type your text or paste text and see this. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.